Hi everyone, I'm Tariq. I will be presenting you the design document of the project Medicare system. First, I will be introducing you my group members. Sam Doki, Tariq Mohammed, myself, Eugene G, and Daisy Timothy. This Medicare system is based on how different users interact with each other and get relevant information. In phase 1, we did PACT, which is persona, activities list, context list, and technologies list. But before going through this, we had to do a brainstorming session and we came up with mind map, which with different users and activities that could be in the system. In activities list, we listed down the activities that could be used in the system. In technologies list, we came up with technologies that could be matched with the activities that could be used in. Context list, we mentioned where the activities will be used, and we came up with personas with who would be the actual users of the system. In phase 2, which is understanding, we did conceptual scenarios which describes how the activities will be used by the users. And in user stories is user stories where the system would actually be useful for them. And in scenario corpus, which is a summary of user story and conceptual scenario. In phase 3, we came up with the hard requirements, which is hardware and also software, which is listed below, and we came up with a concrete scenario, which takes the conceptual scenario and describes further, so it describes further for the user to get more information. And in use cases, we describe different activities and their alternatives if there's a problem in the system. In phase 4, we did conceptual design, and we used navigation map to navigate different user to use their functions, and you use metaphors and icons, which is unique for the system, and different icons would mean different meanings. And we came up with storyboards where the actual system will be used, and finally screen layouts which were taken by the prototype. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I'm Sam. I'm going to demonstrate the prototype my team implemented. We break down the work within 4 parts: a doctor, patient, and the pharmacist. If you log in as a pharmacist, you can see the medicine details with the manufacturer name, manufacturers, manufacture date, and expiry date. And if you click the patient details, you can see the patient basic information, the consulting doctor, the allergy information, plus the current problem. If you click the stock details, you can see the stock basic stock information. And you can also message to a doctor or log out the page. Also, you can log in as a doctor. You can see your patient information was displayed as a list. But if you click the timetable, sorry, you can see your current appointment are listed as a list with the date, reference number, and even names. You can add a new appointment or delete one. Also, if you log in as a patient, you're going to see your name, a current date, and current prescription you're taking, and the active reminder list. Also, you can message your doctor or scan a QR code. Also, as a patient, doctor, or pharmacist, you can customize your UI by using the setting. You can enable the text-to-speech mode, the colorblind mode, or enhanced vision, or the colorblind, the immobility mode, and the hearing issue mode. You also can use the customize button to customize your UI, such as make larger text, change the background color, or change the background picture, or change the text font. You also can recover your pre-existing setting, or enable or disable the location service. You can log in or log out. Thanks for listening.